What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see, Bitcoin is actually up today. It's up at about $64,766, so we are trading a little higher than yesterday. We're still trading sort of in this ascending like channel pattern, which typically means a bearish pattern. But you know, in the world of crypto, sometimes patterns don't usually indicate a bearish or bullish outlook. It can go either way. These are just prompted patterns that we've seen throughout history of trading. So these patterns may or may not reflect what Bitcoin could probably do next. Just a very educated guess. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points, has 3 touch points. As you can see drawn within the channel, I do believe we continue to trade in this pattern for the foreseeable future on the 1 hour chart for the next couple of days, to be exact, before making our way back down. As seen drawn with the orange arrow on the top, we could go parabolic, breaking that top trend line. As seen drawn with the bottom arrow, we could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. Given what the pattern suggests, we could very well dip over the next couple of days. Over the next couple of days. It just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, which are very high volatile economic shifts that have been making Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. The asset class of crypto is extremely volatile. It's not highly regulated yet. There are certain forms of regulation, but there isn't enough regulation to back crypto and Bitcoin just yet. But Bitcoin has proven itself time and again. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading history. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this descending like pattern. The price is $64,690. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. This pattern usually indicates a very bullish pattern. A descending like channel pattern typically means a reversal could happen soon. As you've seen on the 1 hour chart, it was the total opposite. We were in a ascending channel, and this chart on the 4 hour chart is a descending channel. Since the 4 hour chart is a little more macro compared to the 1 hour chart, I would go off the 4 hour chart more so than the 1 hour chart for the long term. In the short term, the 1 hour chart is very reliable, but for the long term, I think the 4 hour chart gives you a little broader perspective. As seen drawn with the orange arrow, I do believe we could break that top trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour, 4 hour technical analysis for Bitcoin. Do you agree with my chart patterns? Do you see another way that you would draw your patterns? Do you have other indicators you use? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.